Hi there. It's me, your mouse Rattie, and today I will talk about the farting sound effect from Gacha farts. It was heard in a video called Gacha Detention. It was uploaded 3 weeks ago on July 23rd. The duration of the sound effect is 0:34 to 0:58. The total seconds are 24. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm gonna show you this sound effect. It goes like this. See? That's what the 24-second farting sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is used when I poop in the toilet. Ugh, ow, my tummy hurts. I need to rush to the bathroom and use the 24-second farting sound effect from Gacha farts. Also, I should poop for 24 seconds. Be right back. It won't come out. Let me try again, but I will not be using my tummy muscles. I'll just relax instead while I poop. Finally, it felt so good to let it all out, and also, feel free to use this sound effect, but please remove the cute music at the beginning and end before using.